This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan chocolate. To begin, gather your core ingredients: 1 cup of high-quality cocoa butter, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar. Ensure all your tools are clean and dry. This simple combination forms the delicious base for your homemade dairy-free treat, proving that making your own chocolate is both accessible and rewarding. Next, we'll melt and mix our ingredients. Carefully melt the 1 cup of cocoa butter in a double boiler over low heat or in a microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring frequently. Once fully liquid, slowly add the half cup of cocoa powder and the 1/4 cup of sweetener. Whisk continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. This step is crucial for achieving that silky texture we all love in chocolate, so take your time and ensure thorough incorporation. Now for the fun part: flavoring and customization. This is where you can truly make the chocolate your own. Consider adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or a few drops of peppermint oil for a refreshing twist. For texture, stir in a 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, dried cranberries, or a sprinkle of sea salt. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to discover your perfect, personalized vegan chocolate creation. Finally, let's talk about setting and storage. Carefully pour your liquid chocolate into silicone molds or onto a parchment-lined tray. Allow it to set at room temperature for about 1 hour or in the refrigerator for 30 minutes until completely firm. Once solid, gently remove it from the molds. Store your delicious homemade vegan chocolate in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It will stay fresh and enjoyable for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.